were harvesting our potatoes, which were planted in accordance with tradition on Good Friday. We're very pleased with the crop that we've got, and Whisper, the kitten, decided he was going to help us. After a while, Whisper got tired of the potatoes and decided that he was going to go big game hunting in the rhubarb, which we've harvested a little earlier.